Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and one way I find to help my son really enjoy mealtime is by serving it on super fun plates. This set of kids' dinnerware from Homestockplus has been a huge hit in our house. This set comes with plates, cups, and bowls, so it's literally everything you need for every mealtime throughout the day. This set is made of wheat straw, and it is extremely durable, but still lightweight. The best part about it, of course, is the super fun colors that it all comes in. You can mix and match the different colors, which I think just adds another element of fun to mealtime. I find that each piece also offers a very nice and unique feature. I love that the plates all have a raised lip. This is perfect for our family when it comes time for sauces. This lip keeps everything on the plate and nothing rolling off. I also love the size of the cups. They are 8-ounce cups and they are the perfect fit for little hands. The bowls are great for cereal and serving snacks. They're 16 ounces, so they're a really nice size, perfect for little ones. I love when something is dishwasher safe, and these are both dishwasher and microwave safe, which is extremely convenient for a mom, if you know what I mean. So if you want to add some fun to your mealtime, I highly suggest checking out this dinnerware set from Homestockplus. But that's just our point of view.